BTCC stands for Bitcoin and crypto, as you can see right here. And in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you guys why BTCC is my favorite exchange for this cycle right now. A big reason for that is being that it's non-KYC, meaning you can be anyone, anywhere in the world, in the United States, and be able to log in to make an account for BTCC and buy cryptos, especially low cap coins. They have a great variety of coins. But that is the biggest reason. And also on top of that is the fact that it's VPN free. So it's non KYC, right? It's KYC free and it's VPN free. And the reason why that's a big deal, guys, is because there's a lot of exchanges out there that require KYC, right? And you need ID and you need all these things. And on top of that, there are some that require VPN. And that's super annoying, right? And the fact that, that they require KYC, that's also very annoying. And BTCC is my favorite for this cycle because last cycle, the big ones was KuCoin, Mexi, right? And they all were non-KYC during that time, and they were huge. Everyone was buying on them. Everyone was trading on them. They were buying low cap coins, but that changed because they required KYC eventually. Well, this time BTCC is that exchange for this cycle because you don't need KYC and you could use this anywhere in the United States without needing a VPN. Okay, so before I even get to it and talk about BTCC, giving you guys my honest review here, sharing everything, answering all your questions that you guys been asking about. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment, you'll get 10% deposit bonuses on all deposits over 500. Okay, so if it's over 500, you'll get 10% deposit bonus, which is great. And that's just the cherry on top, right? This is just my own bonus using my link versus if you were just to download the app and make your own, sign in your own way, you wouldn't get this bonus. So use my link in the pinned comment if you're interested. But that's just the, the cherry on top, because the other thing that you'll get with this is if you go right here on BTCC's page, you click on the benefits and you'll see right here, you'll get the $10,000 USDT, right? Rewards, as you can see, which is basically just doing simple things right here. Look, make your first copy trade, 5 USDT, boom, right there, right? Right here, you got cumulative futures trading volume, okay? Trading volume right here as well. So these are all very simple things to do. Registration, 10 USDT, 25% friend invitation for a friend using your link. And this is, you can easily get money just by following this up to $10,000, which is pretty good. And they're always having campaigns as well. Right now they're having a Cybertruck campaign to be able to get a Cybertruck or other things like that, other big prizes. And you can always come here to the campaign page. You can see what are the campaigns that are going on right now. But they're always having campaigns like 35% commission, right? Get your first copy trade covered. You can even add bank cards, get US $10 just simply for adding your bank cards. Follow it, like just by following them on X, you get $10. So it's a lot of free money just by doing simple tasks. Okay, but USDT, again, it's non KYC free, and they have a great variety, right? That's what's amazing, because you can buy coins on here that aren't on Coinbase that you need KYC, that aren't on Kraken that you need KYC, that aren't on Gemini, on crypto.com that all needs KYC. And you can send crypto over here. You can fund your account by sending crypto in other ways too. And you can see, look, these are all the coins that they have on here. And for example, Base, right? If you want to get, money to your Base on Solana, on Phantom or Sui, this is where to go, because you can buy Sui on here or USDT Base, right? Or other coins, other networks, and then send it to that wallet from here. So it's a great exchange for that as well, because there's most of the exchanges out there don't have USDT to send to Base network or to Sui network, and all that. So you can see, look, they have a wide variety of coins, a lot of meme coins too, very low cap meme coins. And man, I could just keep scrolling here. You can see the just amount of variety that they have. Flux is another good one. Not all the big exchanges out there, they don't have Flux still. So if you want to get early on Flux, they have Flux. I believe they also have Data, I believe. So there's a lot of coins that are great projects that aren't listed on Coinbase and other, exchanges out, like IMX is a great one, Jasmy, right? Caspa's another good one that's not listed on Coinbase and other exchanges. Caspa's a great one right there. But you can see I'm just scrolling here. They have so many coins. It's insane. And that's great. They're always adding new coins. Even Pi, right? So Pi Network, you can see right there. Let's see some more render. SHIB, of course. Solana. And that's what's great too. They have low limit orders. So you can put low limit orders for Shiba Inu and other coins too, which is great. Spell token, right? So Trump, Turbo. So Turbo's another great one. I know they just got listed on Coinbase, but I just want to show you guys here the variety of coins that they have, which is a great variety. And again, you want to get to other networks like Sui, Base, you can easily do it on here. Okay. And right here in the FAQ page, you can just ask any question. A lot of you guys have been asking, oh, the fee structure, how are the fees, the withdrawal fee chart and all that. Obviously, you can see they have no deposit fee. And honestly, my experience, the withdrawal fees have been pretty good. They've been pretty low here, compared to other exchanges, and some of them being, around the same basically. But it's not really that bad. Obviously, you need a minimum, right, to withdraw. But it's pretty good. It's a pretty good fee structure. The spot trading fees are pretty low too, as well as the futures, which I'll get to right here in a sec. But you can see it shows exactly each fee for each coin that they have. Okay, so you can just go right here to the FAQ page and you can see the fees for any of your coins that you want to basically withdraw. Okay, so let's go right here to futures. This is probably I'm just like surprised at the futures trading in this platform, because being a non KYC exchange, usually they have low leverage, right? 50x below or something like that, but they have up to 500, which is insane. 500x on the popular coins like Bitcoin and some other coins. Obviously not all the coins, but 500x, which is amazing. It's the highest for a non KYC exchange out there, to be honest. And the fees are super low for futures trading. So a lot of you guys want to get into futures trading because you can use leverage to your advantage and make thousands of dollars. Okay, obviously you want to practice first, and they have a copy trading right here. You click let me see if you can see that right there. They have copy, so you can click on futures copy trading, and you even get free money just by doing copy trading, like you saw, $10. But you go to copy trading, and if for people that are new here that don't know what copy trading is basically you trade the real market prices, right? So Bitcoin going to 82 wherever it's going, but it's fake money, right? It's not real money, but you're still practicing the same thing that you would with on futures trading with the real market and everything. It's not real money. So it's great that they have that, because before you get over here to 100x, 500x, all that, you do copy trading first, which you can use that high leverage. So very simple, very similar to a lot of exchanges out there, opening long and short. And you can also put, take profit, stop loss, all of that. And again, so some people just like spot trading. Spot trading has very low fees too on here. Very low fees. The withdrawal fees are pretty low too. And honestly, guys, it's this. I'm telling you, this is the exchange to have for this cycle. The bull market is going to start amping up, and once it starts to explode, this is the exchange that you want to be on. Last cycle it was KuCoin, it was MEXC. Well, this cycle it's BTCC. And another amazing thing about BTCC is that they've been around for 14 years, and never got hacked. They never got hacked, or they never had like a data breach where they leaked, emails and stuff like that, which honestly wouldn't even be a problem, because since it's non KYC, you're not gonna give, the only information you're gonna give them is basically your email. So, but they never had that. So 14 years they've been up, never had any hacks or data breaches, and it's amazing because there's a lot of big exchanges out there that have like thousands of dollars of funding and all these things, and they got data breaches, they got hacks. So I'm really impressed with BTCC. Again, a great exchange. I'm on the website, but they have an app, and the app is very simple to use. It's similar to other exchanges like KuCoin or Mexi if you used them before on the app. But if you prefer the website for trading, it's amazing as well. What's cool too is here you can actually use indicators from TradingView. It's basically TradingView, which is amazing because there's a lot of exchanges out there that don't, they don't have TradingView integrated, but BTCC does. You can use the same indicators. They have like the same, the same. It's basically TradingView. I think it even says it. Yeah, it even says it down here at the bottom. You can see right there, TradingView. So, yeah, this is great, guys. Definitely check it out. Take advantage of the 10% deposit bonus. You'll get right here using my link, a big deposit bonus. And again, this is the exchange that I use all the time when I go live to do live trading, like scalp trading. It's great for scalp trading because the fees are very low, and you can use high leverage. So it's perfect for scalp trading. And this is what I use all the time when I'm doing live streams. Okay, so I just wanted to share you guys here, give you guys an honest, full-on review for BTCC. If you have any questions, honestly, comment them in the comments below. And you can also join my free Telegram Cryptopolis. It's 100% for free. I'm on there. I'll answer any of your questions. Obviously, I'll never DM first, so understand that. But I'm telling you guys, this is the exchange to have right now to buy low cap coins for this bull market and super low fees. But check it out, BTCC, my favorite exchange. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.